Simply Gourmet stainless steel measuring cups. Built to last, designed with top quality stainless steel, these metal measuring cups are dishwasher safe and will help you cook or bake for years to come. Goodbye guesswork. Keep your measurements exact and your freshness at your fingertips. The flat design of these measure cups prevents any spillage or mess. Don't worry about the handles either. They won't bend or break easily. Universal measuring. This 7-piece measuring cup set isn't just universally useful, it's universally readable. Both the standard US measurements and metric equivalents are engraved on each cup, so you don't have to bust that old conversion chart out. Rust resistant. Don't let your cooking skills or accessories get rusty. Each stainless steel measuring cup in this set is totally rust resistant and built for stress-free cleanup. Includes this set comes with 7 stainless measuring cups, 1/8, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 cup. With this measuring set, you'll be prepared for whatever culinary challenge you try next. On Amazon, it gets a 4.8 out of 5 stars since 2017. Small details include it has a small pour spout, it's made in China, it's heavy duty, and it's safe to machine dishwash. If this is helpful to you, I hope you let me continue to show you items. Just hit subscribe or follow. Also hit the notification bell, and that will alert you of any other items that I'm posting. Thank you so much for stopping in. Take care now. Bye-bye.